Hi, Officer of Google. I'm Satoshi, a developer. Today I'm here to introduce how to use my new app called Shunsoku Messenger. This app is a document and mail merger to improve mail campaign more efficient. The purpose that you use this app is spread your own product by sharing with mailmug publishers. First of all, we log into Google with testing account. And you can see the root of the drive, and you can click the share with me. There is only one folder named Messenger, and dive inside and into the test folder. The test is a sample campaign folder. Each campaign has 3 files related. Let's have a look one by one. The first file is a number 1 sharing sample. Double click to open it. This document is an article of mailmug from partner publishers. The article says, "Every reader of my magazine, check the new product of my friend Satoshi." Let's have a look at functionality. The document has placeholders of short URLs. The app replaces the placeholders to the actual URLs as the mail magazine stands do. Now I've got a template of document that spreads my product, but how can I share them to partners? It's email. Let's have a look how to compose email templates. Click on the second file to open. The second file is an email template. The first line is a title, and all the sentences below are body. The replacements are nickname and doc URL in curly braces. Very simple. And last file is a partner list spreadsheet. But before opening this sheet, let's have a time to install the add-on program of Shunsoku Messenger. Click the link below and it shows a dialog to get. You click the button, it shows a new blank spreadsheet and new dialog is coming. Let's click at the continue and choose the account, and it shows the application is dangerous. So click the link leftward, expanding message, and click link below. I want Google to approve this app not to say it's dangerous. And you allow app to do it automatically. You will come back to sheet and got a message in add-on menu. You can close this blank window and let's go back in the project. Here is our project folder again. Let's open the spreadsheet this time. This sheet is a list of mailmug publishers to share my product spreading. Only one email address is on because it's a test running. After loading, you can see the Shunsoku Messenger in add-on menu. You bravely click the top of buttons shows shorten URL, and that's it. You got short URLs in each row of the list. And you click the second one, it makes actual documents from the template and subject of list. Thanks for your patience. It takes few minutes to finish. You can click the link to check the document is correctly made. It seems to be alright. Name is replaced to the someone in first row, URL as well. When you click the link, you are on example.com as the spreadsheet shows. URL parameters are added as I expected, so you can close the site and document. And the time has come. You click the send email button and look what you've done. Email sent to the address of myself, so check the mailbox of Gmail. I can see I've got a mail that asking to spread my product, and it has an actual name and an individual short URL. When I click the link, I can see the document shared as we looked at last time. When you complete the list and you send the email, they will spread your word and your product for sure. That's all we got with this app. Officer of Google, now it's your turn to approve my app. Thanks for watching the movie.